So we're on to question 16. Okay. Fully factorize 32 or 63. 63 x squared minus 28. Okay, so what I'm thinking is it's probably going to be some form of dots, but we're going to have to take a factor out to get the dot. So we are. Trying to think. Maybe a factor of 4. So it is potentially. I'm going to check. Can 63 be divisible by 4? No, it can't be. So it is. What I can do is I can just start taking factors out. 28 isn't divisible by 3. 7. Yeah, 7 would actually be the perfect factor because 63 is 7 times by 9. 28 is 7 by 4. So if I take a factor of 7 out, I'm left with 9 x squared. So 9's a squared number, 3 squared. And minus 4. 4 is also a squared number. Okay. So that's where they're giving us 3 marks. Here you kind of have to take the factor out first. And then you've got a dots. So essentially dots, just in case if you don't know what dots are, dots is the difference of 2 squares. Okay, so I'll give you an example here. Say we have x squared minus 1. What we can do is we can just write x. If we want to factorize, it'll be x plus 1, x minus 1. Okay, now the middle x term, not the x squared, but the x terms cancel. Okay, so I'll just show you quickly here. X by x, x squared, x by minus 1, minus x, 1 by x, plus x, 1 by minus 1, minus 1. And as you can see, these two middle terms, minus x plus x, they cancel, so you're just left with x squared minus 1. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll always just write the square root of the number. So in our case, it's just 3, because the square root of 9 is 3. And square root of 4 is 2. So it'll be 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. Okay, and that would be our full answer. Okay, now make sure that you're keeping that 7 in. Okay, that 7 is where you're getting the extra mark. Okay, some people might go, oh, divide through by 7. You have to take the factor out. Okay, if it was equal to 0, you can divide through by 7 on both sides, so you can, and that's okay. But in this case, when it's not equal to 0, you can only factorize, so you can essentially take factors out, but you can't get rid of them. Okay, hope that makes perfect sense. All right, if you have any questions, again, just write them in the comments.